Maayong buntag. Good morning. Kumusta ka? Kumusta mo? How are you? Kumusta imong kinabuhi? Kumusta inyong kinabuhi? How is your life? Kumusta imong kinabuhi karon? Kumusta inyong kinabuhi karon? How was your life today? Kumusta imong pag-eskwela? Kumusta inyong pag-eskwela? How's your schooling? Kumusta imong trabaho? Kumusta inyong trabaho? How's your job? Okay ra ka? Are you okay? Okay ra ko. I'm okay. Kumusta imong negosyo? Kumusta inyong negosyo? How's your business? Maayo ra akong negosyo. My business is doing well. Maayo noon. Well, that's good. Nalipay ko sa atong pagtagbo. It's nice meeting you. Nalipay ko nga nagkita ta. It's nice to see you. Gikalipay ko nga nagkaila ta. I'm glad to know you. Gusto ka ba mag-amigo ta? Would you like to be my friend? Gusto ko mag-amigo ta. I want you to be my friend. Gusto ko malipay ka. I want you to be happy. Unsay imong gibuhat karon? What are you doing now? Unsay imong gibuhat? What are you doing? Nagkapuliki ko sa daghang butang. I'm busy with many things. Nagkinahanglan kag tabang? Do you need help? Dili na, salamat. No, thanks. Ina lang ko kung kinahanglan kag tabang. Just tell me if you need help. Oo, sige. Yes, I will do. Unsay naa dinhi? What's here? Nganong naa ka dinhi? Why are you here? Nganong naa ka didto? Nganong naa ka diha? Why are you there? Magkita ta kadali. See you soon. Magkita ta unya. Magkita ta puhon. See you later. Magkita ta ugma. See you tomorrow. Magkita ta karong hapon. See you this afternoon. Magkita ta karong gabi. See you this evening. See you tonight. Ayaw kabalaka. Don't worry. Walay angay kabalakan. Walay angay ikabalaka. No need to worry. Unta malipay ka. I hope you'll enjoy. Nalipay ka ba? Have you enjoyed it? Oo, nalipay gyud ko. Yeah, I really enjoy it. Kumusta inyong bakasyon? How was your vacation? Unsay imong gibati? How do you feel? Kumusta imong gibati? How are you feeling? Naglain akong gibati. I'm not feeling well. Nagdaot akong kahimtang. I'm not doing well. Sulti ko unsaon ako pagtabang nimo. Just tell me how I can help you. Salamat sa imong tabang. Thanks for your help. Di gyud ko na malimtan. I'll never forget that. Nagkaon na ka? Have you eaten yet? Gusto kag pagkaon? Do you need something to eat? Unsay gusto nimong pagkaon? What food do you want to eat? Unsay gusto nimong imnon? What drinks would you like? Gusto kong mukaon og sinugba. I want to eat barbecue. Sinugbang baboy. Pork barbecue. Sinugbang manok. Chicken barbecue. Sinugbang isda. Fish barbecue. Tagpila ang barbecue. How much is the barbecue? Pwede mahangyo. Any discounts? Salamat sa pagtan-aw sa akong mga video. Thank you for watching my videos. Kung naamoy pangutana, i-komento lang sa ubos. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Unta ganahan mo sa akong mga video. I hope you like my videos. Ug palihog ayo kalimot sa pag-subscribe sa akong YouTube channel. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.